Welcome back for another Crypto Beginners video. If you are someone that watches the channel and has friends or family asking you all the time, how do I buy, what do I do, how to get started, bring them over to the videos and they can watch these episodes. It's going to guide them on their journey. This is simple steps in the crypto space. If it sounds interesting, drop that like. Nothing's financial advice. Let's take a look. So we're over here on CoinGecko. You should be familiar with this now if you've been watching my last few videos. If you haven't seen them, go check it out. Trying to keep it very simple for you guys just to get you familiarized with either CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. I'm using CoinGecko for this example, but they're the same thing, right? So now I want to just kind of familiarize yourself with tokenomics. I think it's important. And what to buy. You probably want to know, what should I be buying right now? Well, think about it like this. What's hot in the real world? And when I say the real world, I mean, when you look at your kids, what do they always want to do? When you hear stuff in the real world, like what's going on, what's exciting to people? And also you probably will hear people go, this coin, that coin, this coin. And I'm pretty sure 90% of the time, when you're hearing a friend or family relative say, this coin, it's probably a meme coin. It's probably Pepe or, I don't know, you're hearing some kind of crazy meme coin, which, so we'll talk about that. Now, before I talk about what to buy, you need to understand the tokenomics. You need to understand what are you buying and is it worth the buy? So I want to grab up Bitcoin here. I'm going to open a tab like this and I'm going to choose something random, which... Let me just grab up another coin, which it is random, but you'll understand why I'm doing this, right? A coin called Bird Dog, right? And this is a meme coin. Let me find it, Bird Dog. This is a meme coin. And I want to help you understand tokenomics in this video. And then I'm going to show you what I think you should be buying, right? I'm trying to think, should I show you where to buy on this one or should I just really focus on... I'll make it a bit longer video because I think you need to do both. Tokenomics. All you need to worry about, and this is the honest truth, when people start off with crypto, they look at a price and they go, 65,000 for one coin? I'm not buying that. I can't afford it. But you can still buy fragments of Bitcoin. You don't have to own a whole Bitcoin. So you can, look, if you come down here on CoinGecko, they have a little section here that's like a converter. So you can say, well, how much would $50 give me worth of Bitcoin? If you was to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin today over at KuCoin or on MEXC, KuCoin, it already shows it here. Look, Bitcoin against Tether. We'll talk about that in a second. Actually, if you watched the last video, I told you Tether is the stable coin. It always remains $1. They use it on exchanges like it's a popular coin to exchange to buy cryptocurrency. They always say you take your dollars and then you exchange it for the Bitcoin, right? You take your Tether, right? But they're talking about tokenomics now. $50, you could buy fragments of a coin if you wanted. You don't have to buy the full price. You don't have to spend 60,000. But if this goes up double the money, let's say Bitcoin one day goes to $130,000, your $50 would be worth $100 because it went double in value. So you can still buy fractions. Look, 0.0007. That's the first thing. So second thing is market cap. This, for me, this is the most important part. Like it really is. All this other stuff, it looks confusing. It looks like, but fully diluted and trading volume and supply, and don't worry about it. Let's just keep it simple. Just focus on the market cap. Where are you buying your crypto? Now remember, I bought up another coin called Bird Dog, right? Where are you buying your crypto? It doesn't show it on here, but I'll show you in another way. Actually, I'll change Bird Dog because I want to have this video where it shows you. Let's see if we can find another coin. Let's try PayPay. Here we go. Does it show the market cap? Yeah, this one shows the market cap. Where are you buying your crypto? This Bitcoin has almost $1.3 trillion in it. It's a lot of money. You're dealing with a supreme blue chip cryptocurrency. This is so worldly wide established. There's huge amounts of money in this. So sometimes people come in and go, well, you know what? I think I need to own some Bitcoin. I've been hearing loads of people talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the popular one. Maybe I should buy some of that. Now, you could make maybe double your money if you're lucky in this cycle. But some people want more. When you hear about crypto, you hear people make hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands. They become mega rich and you want to do that too. Well, you probably can't do this with Bitcoin. Why? Because of its market cap. Actually, it depends. if you're happy to wait 10 to 20 years, maybe Bitcoin will go to $1 million in 10 to 20 years. But if you haven't got that long and you don't want to wait 10 to 20 years, you want to do it within the next year or two, then you need to find cryptocurrencies that have a lower market cap, which means it's more high risk. So the lower the market cap you go, meaning the lower the rank, the higher risk you're going to have with this coin, but the more high reward you can have. So here's an example. Bitcoin has 1.2 trillion. I just pulled up PayPay. This is a meme coin. I'll help you understand the difference in types of coins in a second. But look at the market cap. This one's 86 million. 86 million, right? So because it's tinier in market cap, it shows that there's room for growth should the money come in the future and decide to buy it. I hold this coin. I like it. It's up to you if you want to buy, not personal advice, but I hold some of it. But let me just give you an example. 1.2 trillion is a lot of money. For the most part, this PayPay, unless it becomes worldly wide used and they use it as a currency or the government start using it, because Bitcoin is worldly wide used, institutions, everyone's using it, I don't think this will go to trillions of dollars, but it can go to probably billions of dollars. So when I do my evaluation, I don't focus on the coin. Some people, newcomers, they come, they look at the coin and they go, well, how many coins am I going to get for it? And you've probably done that as well. You probably looked and think, well, how many coins am I going to get? It doesn't matter how many coins you get. Look at this. $100 gives you 489,100,397 coins. It sounds great. You got loads of flipping coins. It sounds great. But it doesn't matter because it's still $100 worth of value. So what you want to know is, and all you really need to focus on is, if you like the project, again, just retouch ourselves on the last thing, let you check the website, you come into the website, we're going to check the socials like the Telegram and the Twitters. Well, this one doesn't have a Twitter, it says you can search it on Twitter. If you like it and you're looking at it and you say, you know what, it's cool, and you're going on YouTube and you're seeing lots of YouTubers talk about it and they're excited about it, and you feel like it could be an investment for you, then all you have to say to yourself is, what market cap am I getting in on? Am I buying it at a low market cap, or am I buying it at a really high market cap where it's billions of dollars or trillions of dollars, right? And that's the secret. The lower the market cap, yes, it's higher risk, but there is potential for higher rewards should it perform well. So for example, if this was to do 10 times the value, let's say you put $100 in and it does a 10x. That's what we call it in the crypto space. 10x, 20x, 30x. Let's say 10x is your money. Your $100 goes to $1,000. This market cap will go 10x as well. So it would say $860 million. It will be close to 1 billion. That's a 10x, 860 million. That's if you buy it today at this current market cap. Tomorrow it could fall. It could go to 80 million or 70 million or 40 million. Or it could be up. You might come back and look at it and this market cap might say 100 million, 120 million. And then you're panicking and people get this thing called FOMO. They fear of missing out. And they're thinking, damn, if I just bought it a few days ago at 86 million, I would have had more money. So I better go and buy some now because it might keep going up. It might be heading towards 860 million, 10 times my money. I'm not trying to give you some FOMO. So this is all we really need to focus on. This is simple steps, guys. We're just focusing on the market cap. Where are you buying your cryptocurrency? You want to make sure you're buying it at a good size. So if it does do a massive multiplier, like a 10x, and it goes to 860 million, you can do that and see nice profit. So what do you buy? Right? You understand a bit on the... I will bring another video on the rest of the tokenomics. I will. But I want to do it gradually. I don't want to put too much information in your head to overload you. Right? We're just... All we're focusing on today is market cap. Right? I'll tell you what. While we're here... Actually, no. I'll do it in another video. Let's talk about what you should be buying then. Because you're probably thinking, well, what do I buy? What do I buy? So we have categories in the crypto space. You can come onto cryptocurrencies up here on CoinGecko. You see it? You can click on categories. What's popular right now in the real world? I said this to you at the start. What do your kids do? They play a lot of games. So I think, personally, gaming is going to be a phenomenal investment in the crypto space. Gaming. That's what I believe. Because I see my kids play it. I play games now and again. Everybody loves gaming. See, in the crypto space, we have this thing called play to earn, where you can play games and earn money. So because of that, gaming becomes very attractive. So look at what I'm doing. I'm scrolling down I'm looking for the gaming tab because I want to see what games are. They've put them in different sections so you can see specific types of cryptocurrencies. So let's look for gaming because you want to know play to earn. Let's click on play to earn. Click on that. And then it should show us some gaming cryptocurrencies. So you click on play to earn. Let's come down. Take a look at this. So as I scroll down, it shows all of the gaming cryptocurrencies that exist. So now, what did I say to you? If you want to do your research on it, you can click on it. You can click on the website. But we're focusing on the market cap, right? First, obviously, do your research. Look into the website. Again, if you don't know how, go check out the other videos. Once you've looked at the website, you've done your YouTube searches, look at the market cap over here, market cap. You can even tap this button here, look, where you can tap it and you can set the market cap from highest to lowest. See, look, this has changed it. So the lowest market cap, this is just gaming, this is all play to earn, $1 million. But again, this is tiny in market cap. Probably could make loads of money, but you could probably lose loads of money. Look, down 40% over 7 days. So this is why you have to really do your research on these coins to decide what you want to buy. But gaming is a good way to start off when you're going to invest. What else is good? AI, artificial intelligence is very good because we're seeing big companies like Meta, like Google, like OpenAI. Do you use ChatGPT? AI is big. Have you been making photos with AI? Do you click on ChatGPT and talk to it? I do. So I know that the future lies with AI. So because of this, the entire crypto space, nearly every channel that I know of, every influencer, they agree. AI could be a big, big thing, a big sector in this space. See it? I'm going to click on AI right here. I'm clicking on it. Now, right now, just all of the AI cryptocurrency that exists right now. So this is just AI coins. There's only $30 billion. And I say only because trillions and trillions of dollars could come into AI. And you can see the growth in this sector in the crypto space. Let's scroll down and have a look at some of the coins, AI coins. And again, so we've got Near Protocol, just naming a few, Internet Computer, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. And look on the right-hand side, the market caps. $6 billion is already in Near Protocol. $4 billion is in Internet Computer. We also have these little things called tickers. Can you see the little 3 digits? ICP. Every cryptocurrency has a ticker. It's like a short version, like we just call it NEAR for short, or ICP for short. You know, ASI, this is supposed to be called ASI, they're going to change over. Botensor, they call it TAO for short, right? That's the ticker. But look, when you look at these types of coins, AI coins, you could buy these. They're safe plays. I call them safe plays because they're blue chip. They're already well established. If you're happy to make maybe 5 times your money, turn $100 to $500, then you could go for something like these. 10 times your money if you're lucky, 20 times if you're lucky. I mean, if you want 20, 50, 100x, yeah, I said 100x, turning $100 into $10,000, you're going to have to go down a rabbit hole and through the looking glass. This is where you start to come right down like this. You come right down. You want to start looking for market caps like somewhere around here. That's just low, really low in market cap. But again, when you come down here, it becomes mega risky, mega risky. Let's just click on one for an example. So you got here Neural AI. Very powerful project for AI, because what Neural AI does, and I'll just give you a little bit of research. You could have done this on YouTube. You could search Neural AI on YouTube. Look at this, 43 million market cap. This is where you want to look, because if you can find a good gem, a good AI coin that's this kind of market cap low, you can make massive gains. What Neural AI does is it lets AI create game models. So when you're playing games, whatever it is, you know Minecraft or whatever, but Minecraft has a shovel and a spade, and they have trees and they have little animals. These are all models. So someone, somewhere, a developer had to spend 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year developing and building these models. AI does it within seconds. Because of Neural AI, it makes it happen. It can build models. You can click on it like this, real quick. And then we come down to the website. Look, click on the website. And then it talks to you about what it is. Look, supercharge your gaming, AI-powered 3D models. You don't have to spend 6 months anymore, guys. Just tell us what you want the AI to make, and it makes it within seconds. Make me a boat. Make it a pirate ship look really detailed, and it just does it. So this is a very powerful project because it can help gaming as well. It's like 2 niches in one. Anyway, this was a simple guide. Is it interesting so far? You wanted to see more? Stick around, like and subscribe. Again, this is for people that are just coming into the crypto space. I know there's a lot of people, they've been asking me, what do I buy? What to look for? Gaming, AI. There is another, meme. There is another one. I told you, PayPay was an example that I was talking about in the video. Meme coins are also exciting as well, but they are incredibly high risk. So, I'm trying not to, to take you there yet. I don't want to take you there yet. Let's just keep it simple for now. Stick around for the video. I'm going to bring you another video. If it's helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.